car's getting mangled.
Let's go for a ride! Hey, that's my truck!
Whoa! Who needs the door?
Use the thumb! That's why I told him to do it up here. Hey Leo, make sure you keep it on the dirt. Alright. Use the thumb! Use the thumb!
That door's pretty strong.
Oh my God. Leo, lift it back up. Oh, that's... Roll on the roof. If I don't get rid of it today, I'll get rid of it tomorrow. Park it back here for the night. Push it over!
Whoa, watch the gas tank! I'm videotaping this, by the way.
Alright.
So how we putting this on the truck?
With the machine, he's gonna push it back over. I love my job.
What time is it?
Almost five. Get back and walk yet?
Huh? Why, does this thing have an airbag? Well, it doesn't, it didn't go off.
What's the junk gonna do when this kid hits? Get off!
I'm videotaping it right now.
This is gonna go on YouTube, right? It's going on my page. Gas tank!
Gas tank!
Gas tank! Gas tank! Right there! That's what he did.
Smell gas. Pretty strong exhaust.
Oh my god!
Now that is being held up by the muffler and exhaust.
Come out of the trunk! Hey, what the exhaust my truck? Flip it back over. Here they go, Pip? Here! Smack the front bumper right here, hard as you can.
Good afternoon, America Rental.
Back over, put everything in it.
It'll be really tight. It's about 5 inches wide. Yeah, but it doesn't have a very good turning radius either.
Hold on.